Creating reports in Qlik Sense has never been easier. With our finance report extension, you get both the correct visual look and a maintainable platform to build on. In any finance project, the logical place to start is that classic P&L, and we have to get the details right, including those summary rows that are not always like subtotals in a normal pivot, and including percentages only on certain rows. The perfect look and feel is required, but with the finance report, it's also fully interactive. You can drill down into details or even link to an invoice or a verification. At the same time, it's possible to change dimensions on the fly, both on rows, sub-rows, and for the columns. Visually, most things are very easy to change. Change the font, adjust the font size, add a background color on only some rows, make it striped. You can even add visual indicators or data bars in order to better find discrepancies in the data. If you still have a need to export, you can generate perfect-looking Excel exports with all the right number formats, colors, and font styles like bold or italic. All, of course, while maintaining the correct detailed data. The finance report ships with the template app to help you get started very quickly. The template also pushes you to set a good starting structure for your reports that can be maintained and managed easily over time. The included Excel file is super easy to use, and typically you don't need IT involved in the maintenance of reports since finance can adjust it themselves. Have a need to create balance reports, cash flow reports, or KPI reports? That is also possible and just as easy. With reports usually follow a lot of questions and comments. With a finance report, that dialogue can happen right inside the report and related to the data of your choice. No waiting for Excel files or PDFs and emails or misunderstandings of what a comment concerns. Ask or comment right inside the data, and everyone has the same information immediately, in real time. Thanks for listening. For more information and to download our products, head over to vizlib.com, and of course remember to follow us on social media.